I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy workout that you can do at home for beginners. So first and foremost, make sure that you stretch. Do whatever kind of stretching, sides, your arms, your legs, your whole body, and then you're going to do a light cardio session. I like to just run in place for about 30 seconds to a minute. The faster your feet, the easier it is to get your body and blood flow going. So do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Next, a really easy thing to do is jumping jacks. So just do your jumping jacks. Again, for maybe 30 seconds to another minute. Make it fun, you can twist. Go different ways. 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, and another good thing to do is your lunges. So once you're warmed up, start doing your lunges. You want to suck your tummy in, keep your back straight, and go down. Some people find it easier to go backwards. Bring your arms up and make sure that your body is straight and that your knee is over your ankle. So you want to do about 10 to 15 of these. And then you can do the other leg, 10 to 15. Keep your tummy tight, your knee over your ankle. If you can, try to touch your knee to the ground. So count out 10 to 15 of those. Then the next thing you want to do is work on your arms and your shoulders. So everyone knows how to do push-ups. Make sure that your shoulders are over your wrists. Keep your tummy tight and drop low. The slower you go, the harder it's going to be for you to come back up. But you want to get a really good workout, so try to keep those a little bit slower. Tummy tight, back straight. Try to do 10 of those. Okay? Then, to work on the back of our arms, we're going to do dips. Bring your body up and straight. Try to point your toes if you can, and then dip down. 10 to 15 times. Awesome. And then another good workout is to work on your abs. I like to do knees to elbows. Bring your arm behind your head and then bring one leg out and touch your knees to your elbows. Do this until exhaustion. And a good way to do your obliques on your side is to do a side plank. This is going to work this area right here. You're going to stay like this for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you'll do the other side. Then we're going to end with another quick cardio to get your heart rate back up. Jumping jacks, run in place, sides to sides. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. That was a quick and easy workout that you can do home for beginners.
If you like our content, please follow us on all social and subscribe to our YouTube channel.